Good morning and welcome to a special BeeBusinessBee vlog. After yesterday's success, I thought I'd do you another one. And of course, we've got a big breaking news story today. The news at HMV may be about to fall into administration for the second time in a matter of 6 years. Very sad news that another high street retailer is struggling, especially after yesterday's vlog. And of course, HMV news is even more interesting as this is a music store which is under a great deal of threat by the new emerging technologies such as Spotify and Amazon Music and even Apple Music. Of course, the interesting part of the story with HMV is the fact that it's actually a profitable organisation. Around £147 million worth of profit it reported in 2017. The organisation as a whole has actually seen itself grow its market share and is actually the industry leader when it comes to selling of records. But they actually estimate that sales of albums is down by 20% year on year. And of course, the real question is this a sustainable market? Can they sustain this level of sales? Of course, looking longer term, people may have that nostalgic look at the high street, but if we don't go out and buy from these stores, they've got little chance of success. So is it down to us as consumers? Should we start to make better choices rather than talk about the high street and declining role of the high street? Maybe we need to go out and start to shop in the high street and encourage our high street to thrive and grow. Just think of all the increase in wealth that it creates by creating those jobs in the high street, those opportunities that you get for leisure and social recreational activities. And of course, it comes back to that thought about yesterday of whether councils and governments need to do intervention to help the high street to compete against the online rivals who are now emerging and ultimately succeeding in the marketplace. That's my thoughts for today. And obviously remember, until next time, keep buzzing.